Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are using Microsoft Word on a Mac and your document page is suddenly dark or simply you want to switch between dark mode and the light mode, this quick video will show you exactly how to do it. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your Mac. Now open any document. This can be a new document or an existing one. At the top of the menu, click on Word, and from the menu, select the preferences. Now click on General. Here you will see an option called Dark Mode or a Turn Off Dark Mode for documents. If this option is checked, your page will appear white even when Mac is in dark mode. If it is unchecked, the page will follow System Dark Mode. Simply toggle this option based on how you prefer your page to look. A quick tip, even if a Word is in dark mode, you can still keep your documents page white, which many people prefer for reading and editing. And that's it. That's how you can easily switch Microsoft Word between dark mode and the light mode and on Mac OS. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.